Now relation and function. Let A and B be any two non-empty sets. Means two A and B have certain number of members. Then A Cartesian product B is the Cartesian product of A and B. Then any subset of A Cartesian product B is known as the relation from A to B. It is A Cartesian product B is known as the relation from A to B. Is denoted by R is to A to B and read as a relation from A to B. Read as a relation from A to B. Let A be the Nepal, India, and B be Kathmandu and Delhi. Kathmandu and Delhi. So make all possible Cartesian product. All possible or order pair, that is A Cartesian B. If we find, so here Nepal and Kathmandu, again Nepal. So here is a ordered pair, set of ordered pair. Just only here X represents a country and Y represents only cities. But from these four set of ordered pairs, let's look at two ordered pairs: Nepal and Kathmandu and Delhi and India and Delhi. So what is the difference from other pairs? That is Nepal is a country and Kathmandu is a country, capital city of Nepal. Same way, so Delhi is the capital city of India. So there is a relation where R represent a relation Nepal, okay, Nepal and Kathmandu, again India and Delhi. So it is a Cartesian product for country and cities, only country and cities. X represents country only, name of country, and Y represents cities. But here R represents such a relation which is the capital city of their country, capital city of its country. So here if we choose, so R is the subset of Cartesian product. R is the subset of Cartesian product because we can take Nepal and Kathmandu and Delhi and India, but there is no relation. It is just a order pair. No relation, so it is just a order pair. Here is also no relation, it is just a order pair. So now if we took two ordered pairs, that is Nepal and Kathmandu and India Delhi, it has a relation because Kathmandu is the capital city of Nepal and Delhi is the capital city of India. So in this way we choose such a order pairs that has some relation between these two X and Y. So we can now take another example. Now let again A be 1 2 and B be the 2 3 4. Now make all possible set of ordered pairs, that is A Cartesian product B. So 1 2 1 3 1 4 2 2 2 3 2 4. These are the all set of ordered pairs. All set of ordered pairs. Now we confirm some relations or we fixed some relation and then only select a sort of set of ordered pair. That is, if we take 1 and 2 and 2 and 4, 1 and 2 and 2 and 4, 2 and 4. So which type of set of ordered pairs we take? That is, here Y is 2 times of X, that is Y here this is y and here is x. So y is 2 times of x. Here y is 2 times of x, that is here y is 4 and y is equal to 4 and x is equal to 2. So which, if we multiply this 2, then we take 2x, that is 2 times 2 is equal to 4. So if here y is here is the relation y is equal to 2x, that is r is a subset of, here r is a subset of A Cartesian product B. Symbolically we can represent r is equal to x and y such that y is equal to 2x, where x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Now representation of a relation, how many ways we can represent the relation. Let a relation R from set A and B can be represented in the following ways. Let first to represent some method of relation. So A is 1 and 2 and B is 2, 3, 4. So make all possible set of ordered pair of Cartesian A and B. So 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Again 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. Now fix some relations between some x and y or antecedent or consequence. So let R be 1, 1 and 2 and again 2 and what 2 and 4. So here is R is a relation is such like x and y such that y is equal to 2x. Now ways of representation and representation, how we represent set of ordered pair methods. So we simply take the set of ordered pair like R is equal to 1 and 2, 2 and 4. Set builder method. Set builder method or symbolical method, it can be also called symbolical method. So set builder method, what is the relation between these two set of ordered pairs, that is R is x and y such that y is 2 times of x. So again tabulation method, just make simple table like this and here write to x and y. So now here x is 1 and y is 2 and here 2, here 4. Arrow diagram, just make here is A and here is B. Now relation 1, 2, 2, 4. So this is relation between A and B. Again graphical method. So what will the graphical method? In this, let make a graph first. So here is a graph. Now 2 is related to 2. So here 1 is related to 2. Sorry, here from 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 1 is related to, here is 0. 1 is related to 2 and 2 is related to 4. This is the graphical representation. Here is x and this is y. Okay. Now again domain and range of a relations. So let R be a relation from set A to B, then the set of all first elements of the ordered pairs of R is called domain of R, and the set of all the second elements of the ordered pairs R is called range of R. That is, Here R is 1 and 2, and again 2 and 4. So set of all first member or first elements of set of ordered pairs. What is the set of ordered pairs? 1 and 2 is the first. So domain of R is equal to 1 and 2. Again range means second elements of the ordered pairs. So range of R is, so second 2 and 4. What? 2 and 4. So 2 and 4. Again inverse of a relation. Let R be a relation from set A to B, then a relation obtained by interchanging the first and second elements in the ordered pairs of R is known as the inverse of relation. So let here example, take one example. Let R be a relation 1 and 2, 2 and 4. So what will be the inverse of R? So R inverse can be written as interchanging, that is 2 and 1 are interchanged, and 2 and here 2 and 4 is interchanged, that is 2 is replaced by 1 and 1 is replaced by 2, that is 2 and 1, and again 2 is replaced by 4 and 4 is replaced by 2. So 4 and 2. This is the inverse relation of R. Function. What is function? A relation defined from A to B. R is such that A to B is said to be a function if every element of set A, that is the first set, has a unique element in set B, that is the second set. A function from set A to set B is denoted by F such that A to B is written. For example, now concentrate these 2 points. Every element of set A and has a unique element in set B. Let's A and this is B. 1 2 3 4. 2 3 4. Every element has a unique element. Okay, every element has a unique element in set B. So here no one element should be missed here. So and must have a unique element in set B. 1 has also 2, 2 has also 2. It is not different, but image, it is also called image. So image may be same of pre-image, but one should not have 2 elements. So this is a function, is a function. This is a function. Again, now take another example. 1 is related to 2, 2 is no one, 2 has not mapped anyone, 3 is mapped, 4 is mapped. So every element here, that is no one element should be missed. So is not a function, because here 2 is not mapped in set B. So is not a function. Again take another example. Here 2 has a unique element in B, 3 has also unique element in B, 4 is also has a unique element in B. So here 1 has mapped with 2 elements, that is 2 and 3. So this is not a function. Again 1 is mapped with 2, 2 is mapped with 2, 3 is mapped with 4, and 4 is here. Every element of set A has mapped with a unique element in set B, and 3 is missed. Okay, 3 is not mapped with anyone, but but it it does not mean it is, although this is a function. Okay, this is a function, so this is not mean to, if in set B is missed, then it will not function. But every element in set every element of set has a unique element B, so this is a function. Okay, is a function. Only only in set no one element should be missed. So to be a set or relation to be a set, every element of set has a, so no one element should be missed in set A and has mapped with unique element in set B. In this case, this relation only represent a function. Okay, now next